Model 1949 Thorny CROFT NIPPY Flatbed Petrol Lorry Tax MOT Exempt Absolute Bargain. Body blue flatbed. Mileage 0. Engine petrol. Transmission 4-speed manual. Mechanical summary: this started and drove perfectly when we had it around 4 years ago. It's been inside dry warm units stored and not been used since we put a battery on it and it tries to fire. I'm sure with a bit of tinkering it will start perfectly, maybe old fuel, not sure, but the engine had been fully reconditioned along with everything else. There is around 300 pages of paperwork and has been in various films and movies, etc. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is extremely clean and tidy, you can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it. Immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features: full service history, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111